How to find and see your connect history on Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can find and see your connect history on Upwork. So kindly follow through to the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, this is how your Upwork account looks like. Once you're on this page, you can see the Upwork logo by the top left corner, and then you can also see jobs that you can apply for on Upwork. Then the next step is to move to the top right, top left corner of the screen next to the logo where you can see find work, my jobs, reports, messages. So the next step is to just click on report. Once you click on report, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like overview, my reports, billing and earnings, connect, history. All right, so just click on it. After clicking on connect history, you will go to the page where you will see all of your connect transactions here. I have not made any connect transaction, that is why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of your connect transactions here. Then if you want to buy more connects, you can click on buy connect to get more connect. You can click on this box to check out the connect type. You can also edit the dates and all of that. So this is how you can find and see your connect history on Upwork. Very, very simple. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.